everyone. It's
Hi.
Stephanie.
And me.
So glad to have you here today, Earl.
Hey, thanks. It's good to be here. So
Good.
it's good to be anywhere.
That's good.
Yeah.
So do you hear that noise?
Yeah. Somebody's flossing their teeth.
Yes. Yes. Or like when the dentist is cleaning your teeth.
Yeah.
It could be that. It could be something else. Should we see what it is?
Sure.
Okay. What do you do, Mike?
Cleaning bead lilies out of beads.
Oh, what kind of beads are these?
They are memorial beads that have cremains inside.
They're beautiful.
So you make necklaces out of them, or?
Whatever, I'm putting them on cords, but then you can do whatever you want. I think there's some, it's for a lady, I think they're going to use some for bracelets and whatever. She wanted 2 different sizes this time, small and big. So I made small and
Nice.
big.
Yeah, so tell us what cremains is. What is that? What do you do?
It is cremated remains, human or pet. And then I basically bone fragments. There's not much ash or anything, and I just add it encase it in the glass, and it's doesn't take very much to make them, or to make each one, and it's something that can't spill. Like if you have a little urn that breaks or something, these are encased, and it doesn't take much, so you can do a lot with a little.
Oh, very nice. So you can do marbles, necklaces, pendants, rings, anything.
Me and Renee have been doing rings, and we've done pendants in the past. We did a ring last week that it's really cool. So
Nice.
there's people that want us to make rings that don't have cremains in them, just for rings. So,
Yeah.
so if you want a ring, just let us know. I make the glass piece for the center. I do them all different colors, and then he
That
can
sounds fun.
work his silversmith magic.
Right? Awesome. Okay, well, thanks for sharing with us, Mike. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else. We'll come over here. Oh! So this is from a class the other night. This is from Summer. She does a resin class.
Wow.
Yeah, it was cool.
So
people can come
when
pick
are
them
they
up.
going to pop them?
I think the people that made them will come and pop them out. I know. It's tempting, huh?
Yeah.
I've been wanting to
that's
touch them too, but I won't.
like drop them in a soda like an ice cube.
Right. Roxy and I were working on some mandalas, doing some tie-dye in the store yesterday. Mandalas. Oh, wait till you see.
What's that?
You'll get to see.
These wet?
They are. And they're if you touch them, your hands will start looking like that. Okay, let's go on a tour. Should we start over here?
Yep.
So this is cool. I don't think we've really ever talked much about this, but one of our, we seriously have the coolest customers that we love, and they're part of the collective family. But
Right.
she picks these up for us, so you can make a thank you card for the McCady staff, and then leave it in here, and she'll pick it up and deliver it to them.
I'm going to have to do that for sure.
Yes. This is a make and take station, so you can come and make your own necklace. You can pick your charms, your necklace length. There's the tools, and then there's directions.
Real soon, I'm going to have a bookmark station.
I can't wait.
Yep.
Clarence.
That's cool.
Yeah. Then you have some books. These are by Heather Green. These are romance books.
Mr. Robot.
Yeah, Rachel and Richard Green. No relation between Rachel and Richard Green and Heather Green, but they both have cool last names. Green is my favorite color.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kurt Eilander has a book with us.
Al
Alicia
Perry.
has a book. Al Perry. Julie Baldwin.
Cool.
Junior League. Bookmarks. All sorts of cool things.
Yeah.
Liking it. There's some shorts over here that are brand new. We talked about those the other day. We have some little kids shirts now. Little tie-dye shirts. So we have a pretty big selection of children's clothing now. Top secret, they're not even out yet, but there's more dresses coming. So all sorts of fun things that you can find. Cool sun hats. These are made by Abby where she paints on them. You have some new marbling hats. Just painted cool things on there. And it's Earl again.
I'm back.
Izzy has restocked her stickers. She was on a whirlwind vacation with her amazing podcast.
Wow.
So she's restocked. Emery has restocked.
Okay.
Yeah. If there's something you like, let us know. We can ship it to you. Or we also have people that just come running into the store, which is really awesome too.
Little kids like them. Just for fun. Put them on their notebooks
Oh yeah.
for school.
These are always fun for the summer. Put them in your garden. Really nice.
Water your plants.
Yeah. Heather has some new watercolors up.
Wow. Delicate arch. That's pretty.
Yeah. Here's another new one too.
Ooh.
And I love her little miniatures too. Very cool. I think Mike restocked hummingbirds. We sell out of these all the time.
Yeah, he has a whole bunch of those out at Antelope Island too. Did you know that?
So cool.
Yeah.
All the cool things. And Crescents has a new soap for the month. That smells really good.
Yeah, cranberry spice. I was just mentioning how I like the smell of it.
Yeah, it's good.
And then if you really want to get clean, get black soap.
Charcoal, huh? Look at you, really clean.
Yep.
Let's see. Well, you and Joe did have a new journal, but it didn't even last the day.
No.
It was a dragon one, and it sold the same day that you guys put it out.
Yeah, the two dragon ones we put together. One of them went to Boulder, Colorado.
Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Katie restocked, so she has a whole new display. So she actually has magnets.
Just don't turn.
No. You could keep trying though.
Scratch a hole in the floor.
Yeah, so she has all sorts of. She has necklaces too. Ooh.
They're fun.
Yeah.
A lot of work in those.
Yeah. Yeah, she has a lot of beautiful detail in every single piece.
Yeah.
You were just talking to me about these top two purses.
Yeah, it's Pioneer Day coming up. These are hair-on Coriana steer, which is a Mexican longhorn. And I call these a Duffel Purse. They're either he or she,
Yeah.
you know, so.
And they have pockets.
Yeah, I've got pockets on both sides. They're the exact same size, just turned 90 degrees.
I never realized that. Are you kidding me?
No. They're exact same size. They just turned them.
You and your tricky ways. And it has a magnet on the top, which is nice.
Right.
I really like that too.
Yeah. Magnetic closure, and you can stick them in your arm into there on them. So.
Emery has restocked some of her pins too. We were almost out of those.
Yeah.
So that's good. Deborah has restocked all of her beautiful jewelry.
She does such delicate stuff. It's just unbelievably beautiful.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
So pretty.
I don't know how she does
I'm
it.
whispering so that no one else will hear it and come get it.
You want it? You want it?
Yeah, she has cool things.
Yeah.
This is a new thing that we have done together.
You and I, huh?
Yeah. And Marygail.
Yep.
She's part of the gang.
She's the one that does the braiding.
She's so magical.
Yep. Pretty special lady.
She is. You did right.
Yep, I did. 47 years ago yesterday.
Yay! Congratulations!
Excited.
Everyone give Marygail and Earl some love.
That's 2 weeks before my 47th birthday.
Oh!
You're just a pup.
I wasn't even born when you guys got it. It was like
Glimmer in your daddy's eye.
no, I was 2 weeks under.
We have some new plants by Jeanne and Heather and myself.
Yeah, they're fun. There's a little bit of everything.
Yeah,
there.
2 weeks underdone. Sometimes it takes a minute to catch up. You have some leather scraps in here, which are really awesome.
Actually, these are some of them are full hide goat skin. So there you go. Have some fun with that. Most of them are only $25 each, and they were created in Italy. So, and the reason I'm selling them is it just doesn't fit sometimes in my wheelhouse.
Yeah, for
So,
sure.
I give you guys a chance to have some fun with it.
I think we all have that, as you can tell by our surplus area.
Yeah.
There's things that we think that we'll have great plans with, and then we don't.
There's a piece right
Thank
here.
you.
This piece right here is almost big enough to make I think it's almost big enough to make a skirt.
Wowzers.
And it's leather and just weird texture.
Yeah,
Doesn't work well on billfolds, but
there you go.
hey,
This is a new display too for marbling, hand marbled ornaments. There's a ton of different kinds on here. And it rotates. Summer's our featured artist, so this is full of all of her amazing items. And all of her cool buttons. All the things. So many cool things. Vulture Vixens has restocked. And they got this new shiny. It's so pretty. And David has restocked. Some baby grokers. Steve Stones was in here yesterday and he restocked. So all sorts of things from him in here. We also have this brand new area that is dedicated to our furry family. So we have some collars, some leashes, some paracord leashes, and then we also have some macrame leashes. So really cool things in here that you can keep an eye on. Roxanne has just restocked. These are so cool. You clip these onto your car vent. You can drop a little essential oil on it and it will make your whole car smell good. Plus it has all these cool gemstones on them. And she also restocked her earrings.
thanks for coming in. Tell your friends about us, will you please?
And Abby has restocked all of her beautiful original handprint paintings, notebooks, journals, all the things. Here's some more of Roxy's new pieces that she just brought in. She put a lot of pearls on things. That's so fun and summery.
Lucy, I'm home.
Oh, good. And I think last is that Renee's rearranged all of his cool. And these are fun. Have you seen these, Earl? They're little balance earrings.
Renee's
fun.
making them?
Yeah. He made them during COVID. Like, you know, for balance and all that. And so every once in a while he puts a pair out there still.
See
I
if
think
your
they're
head's
cool.
plumb, huh?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, so he's just restocked all of his jewelry too in here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Changing things up a little.
Yes. All the pretty things.
Yeah.
All right, well, anything else we should tell everyone about?
Yeah, just come visit us, please.
We're pretty fun.
Yeah.
You never know what you're gonna see.
And we have a cool spot here too.
Air conditioning.
Yeah. And it's free.
Totally free air conditioning. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
Bye.